you find that place within you that knows Mother Earth. And you see in your inner vision a beautiful place in nature, a river where there are trees around perhaps, and you can see the animals and the deer, the bear, all the different kinds of animals that are there in nature, and the birds. And you'll let yourself feel this experience, and you begin to feel the love you have for the mother. You deepen this experience by staying in connection with Mother Earth, and you keep it deepening this experience of love until it gets to the place that you feel it through your body. And now, once you feel this experience of love, you take this love and you put it into a little ball in your heart, and with your intention, you send it down to the center of the earth, and you just wait. You wait for Mother Earth to send her love back to you. When you feel this love coming back from the mother, and she will always give you her love, for you are her child. When you feel this love coming back, let it move through your whole body. Let it move through your light body and through your Merkaba and through all that you are. And hold back no secret place from this energy and from this love. At this moment, you are now connected to the mother in love. You can stay here for as long as you wish, feeling this love and feeling this connection. When the time feels right, without breaking the connection with the mother, you shift your attention to Father Sky, to all the rest of creation other than the earth, to the sun, the planets, the Milky Way. And in your inner vision or in your outer vision, you look into the night sky and see the stars, see the planets, see the Milky Way streaming through the sky, and you feel the love in your heart that you have for the Father, for the Divine Father. You let this love build until you feel it in your body. And then when it feels right, you take this love, and again you put it into a little ball of light in your heart. And with your intention, you send it up to the Christ grid and let it connect with that energy that's about 60 miles above the earth. And it'll go all around the grid, surrounding the earth. You wait for the Father and for this love to come back to you. And the Father will send His love to you. You are His son or His daughter. He loves you. And when you feel this love come back to you, you let it move through your whole body and through all the cells in your body. You let it move through all your light body and your Merkaba. And you hold back no secret place for this love. At this moment, you are now connected in love with Mother Earth and you're connected in love with all the rest of creation. And this is very unusual in human experience. It may be one or the other, but it's usually not both. And what happens now is the divine and the Holy Trinity exists. The Divine Mother, the Divine Father, and you, the Divine Child, are connected in a triangle in love. It is from this place, and only from this place, according to the peoples of the world, that the next step can take place. You bring your attention to the tall tube that's connected to the Christ grid around your body, and your attention goes to the top, which is about 27 feet above your head, and way below your feet the same distance, and there you open it up in such a way that you allow the consciousness of all life everywhere to enter into you. You allow God to enter into your very being and into your essence. And God comes into you, into your heart, and expands in a ball of light around you, completely enclosing you in this light of God. At this moment, there is one last thing to do. There is a spiritual law that says that when you receive, you must give. And so you allow this light of God that is around your body to begin to expand, and you feel it growing out like a balloon, getting bigger and bigger. And then you just let it go at the speed of thought to return to the source from which it came, to all the dimensional levels and all that is. It goes back to God. And what now is happening is a flow from the source is coming into your essence and returning back to the source from which it came. And you are in the midst of this flow. God is now present within you and all around you, and you can feel it, you can see it, you can hear it, you can know it. This moment, you just be with God and allow whatever takes place to take place. No thoughts, just allow.